Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make smoothies grounded updated. Start by choosing fresh or frozen fruit and a liquid base, then add a binder such as yogurt or nut butter to create a cohesive texture. Use a fat like avocado, seeds, or oil to make the smoothie creamy and satisfying. Blend in pulses, scrape the sides, and taste for balance, adjusting sweetness or acidity until it feels grounded and enjoyable. Pick ingredients that support a grounded texture and lasting satisfaction. Frozen fruit helps thicken without watering down the flavor, while your liquid choice controls calorie density and mouthfeel. Add protein through Greek yogurt, protein powder, or silken tofu to keep you full longer. Consider a small amount of sweetener or citrus to brighten flavors, and always taste as you blend so you can fine-tune balance without overworking the blender. For the best grounded texture, layer ingredients strategically. Liquid and soft items go in first, frozen and dense items last. Pulse the blender to break down solids, then blend at medium speed until smooth to avoid heat buildup and separation. If the smoothie is too thick, add 1 to 3 tablespoons of liquid incrementally. If too thin, add a small amount of frozen fruit or ice. Finish by tasting and adjusting balance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.